Welcome to our channel. Are you ready for a dramatic journey? Let's immerse yourself in the world of giant forestry machines, where the roar of chainsaws and the power of crushing tree trunks. Each video will take you to moments filled with excitement and overwhelm. Let's start the adventure now. A Mack R600 loaded with wood in Honduras demonstrates impressive performance on difficult terrain. With a powerful engine and durable design, the Mack R600 can easily transport large volumes of wood over rough roads. The price of the Mack R600 is about 40,000 USD, making it a popular choice for logging jobs in mountainous areas. The C100R tractor is the company's latest development, combining the versatility of rubber tracks and the power of a 99 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. The C100R uses 17.7-inch wide rubber tracks designed to move over vulnerable surfaces while still meeting the rigors of forest work. Each plowing stroke demonstrates the durability, strength, and flexibility of the machine, making work easier and more effective than ever. One of the powerful forestry cutting machines, designed to handle the work of cutting, pruning, and transporting trees in harsh forest environments, is the Barco 937B. With a powerful hydraulic system and lifting capacity of up to 37 tons, the machine can work effectively in difficult conditions. Be careful with small tree splinters, as they can also be painful if you don't pay attention, especially when working with the Dosco machine. For the Carlton SP7015TRX, the price is higher than the Dosco, so it will have the advantage of being able to handle heavier jobs and superior performance. In particular, this machine is equipped with a remote control system, helping operators easily control and increase safety when working. You can consider these two machines the DAH-150 ear on the Tigercat 822D wood tractor is a powerful combination, delivering outstanding performance in large wood crushing jobs. The power and vigor from these shots is so impressive that one cannot help but notice. After harvest, specialized stump removal equipment is deployed using advanced drilling technology, allowing the machine to penetrate the soil to a depth of more than 20 inches, severing the root system and minimizing soil disturbance. This precise extraction technique not only protects soil structure and minimizes erosion, but also maintains fertility. Compared to manual removal methods, this device offers superior efficiency and speed, helping to save time and effort on the job. Get ready to watch the power of the Husqvarna 372 X-Torque chainsaw with a capacity of up to 70.66 cubic centimeters that makes cutting large trees in harsh environments easy.
Go!
Can you guess why they had to cut down such long-lived trees? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Pezzolato PTH 900G drum chopper, driven by the PTO of a 250 HP John Deere R6215 tractor, is operating effectively in the Bavarian forest. With powerful wood chopping ability, the machine combines perfectly with John Deere tractors to handle large and hard wood in harsh environments, helping to save time and optimize work productivity. Compared to conventional tree saws, the skid steer ASV RT 120 is superior thanks to its flexible rotating design, helping to easily access difficult areas and increase efficiency in tree cleaning. Komatsu PC 8000 excavator, weighing 768 tons and 10 meters high, is a giant machine assembled from disassembled parts when transported to mining sites. With a bucket capacity of 42 cubic meters, it is capable of lifting up to 100 tons per scoop, making even the most powerful tractors look small next to it. A convoy of trucks is transporting a 96 megawatt separator to a construction site for a petrochemical complex. This set of equipment weighs about 800 tons and is transported on 2 platforms, each with 26 axles. Their total length is up to 179 meters, moving along the highway and taking up to 3 days to complete the journey. In June 2011, the Space Shuttle Endeavour made its final landing at the Kennedy Space Center after its 25th mission. After that, the spacecraft was moved to the California Science Center for display, completing its journey 19 kilometers long end on a self-propelled platform at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. Thousands of people came to pay their respects to this legendary icon. Chinese manufacturers have made the world's largest stainless steel billet for a nuclear power plant, weighing 150 tons and measuring 15.6 meters in diameter. The transport uses a platform with 106 wheels, covering 4 lanes with one wheel over 3 meters high. To ensure safety, workers had to dismantle some parts of the road to overcome curves. Buchanan Mansion, a 125-year-old historic brick house near Tipton, Indiana, weighing more than 400 tons, was moved 5 miles thanks to a self-propelled system of 140 wheels. The relocation process was carried out by 20 workers, with a moving speed of about 3 kilometers per hour. To complete, the team had to dismantle 16 technical equipment around the house. Finally, Buchanan Mansion was safely placed in its new location, marking an impressive engineering feat. The famous Falcon 9 rocket has returned to the hangar after successfully completing the mission of transporting 2,668 kilograms of cargo to the International Space Station, ISS. This is the 5th successful flight of the first stage of the Special Booster rocket, codenamed B-167, transporting a rare Soviet T-55 tank weighing about 25 tons. In Poland encountered many difficulties, with a length of 6.55 meters, a width of 3.27 meters, and a height of 2.5 meters. Changing direction from a narrow dirt road to a wide highway is truly a challenge. Traditional free-range farming in the Pyrenees and Alps often moves livestock to high pastures, which can reach up to 2,800 meters. Due to the inaccessible terrain, helicopters have become an important means of transporting sick or injured livestock to veterinary clinics, with the need to ensure the animal's safety during the flight. The Sori CH-53 helicopter has served the U.S. Army for more than 50 years, overcoming many difficult transportation challenges. Versions of this helicopter are constantly being improved, with a cargo capacity of up to 6 tons and a weight of about 10 tons. Its latest version has a rotor diameter of up to 22 meters and reaches a maximum speed of 345 kilometers per hour, impressive with its outstanding performance. a convoy transporting heavy military equipment through Texas, with this weaponry posing major challenges to the rail system due to its size and weight. In particular, the tanks were transported on 6 specialized axes or platforms. General Electric's 9HA gas turbine, which weighs 390 tons and can provide electricity for 400,000 households in 30 minutes, is transported by a convoy 100 meters long and 7 meters wide. The convoy, moving at a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour, consists of 4 trucks with 3 trailers in the front and 1 or 2 carts in the back.